In this video, you will learn about factoring difference of cube. The most important formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus a times b plus b square. This formula is the formula that we will be using. It's very important to remember it. So the first example will be x cube minus 8. So how do we do it? So first we take the cube root. Let me write it like this. First we take the cube root of x cube. So that is equal to x. Then we take the cube root of 8. So the cube root means like this. So what number do you multiply 3 times to have 8? That is 2. So now we have for A, we have x, and for B, we have 2. So now we are going to follow the formula. It will be A is x minus 2, then A square will be x square plus A times B will be 2 times x, then plus b square is equal to 2 square. So the end formula will be x minus 2, then x square plus 2x plus 4. So if we have 27 y cube minus 125. So we take the cube root of 27 y cube. So, and I will explain how you do it. So first, you start with the cube root of 27. That means that you need to find a number that multiplies. If you multiply it 3 times by itself, it will be 27. And that is 3 because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Because 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. And then you take the cube root of y cube. And how do you do it? So you can write that expression different. You can write it like this. Then it becomes much easier. So what you do is it's the same as 3 times 1/3. And 3 times 1/3 is equal to 1. So this expression is equal to 1. So then you are left with y. So, and for the cube root of 125 is equal to, so you need to find a number. If you multiply it 3 times by itself, it will be 125. And for that, the number is 5 because 5 times 5 is equal to 25 times 5 is equal to 125. So now I'm going to write it better. So we had for the cube root of 27, that was equal to 3.
If you want me to make more videos like this so I can help you with your education, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification and leave a comment if you have some question.
Then we had the cube root of y cube. So it means divided 3 divided by 3 is this 1, so we are left with y. And then for 125, the cube root of that is equal to 5. And for a, we combine these two because we needed to take the cube root of 27y cubed, so it becomes then 3y, that is equal to a, and then 5 will be equal to b. So now if you write this expression, a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared, that will be equal to, for a we have 3y, then minus b, b is 5, times a squared is equal to 3y squared, plus a times b will be equal to 3y times 5, plus b squared will be 5 square. So now what we have will be 3y minus 5 times 3y squared is equal to 9y squared, plus 3 times 5 is 15. It will be 15. It will be 15y plus 5 squared is 25. So this is the answer. So now if we have 125 x cubed minus 8y cubed. So we take the cube root of 125. So we need to find a number that multiplies 5, that multiply 3 times, and it will give us 125. And that number is 5. And then we take the cube root of x cubed. So we can just divide the number 3 by 3. So then we are left with 3. That is for a. And then if you take the cube root of 8 y cubed, so the cube root of 8 is 2, because if you multiply 2 times by itself, it will give us 8. And then the cube root of 3, the cube root of y cube is y, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then we are left with y, and that is equal for b. So now we can write this expression. It will be 5x minus 2y, then 5x to the power of 2 plus 5x times 2y plus 2y to the power of 2. So now we can write it as 5x minus 2y, then we take the 5x to the power of 2, so that's 25, and then x will become x squared, plus 5 times 2 is equal to 10, x and then times y, then plus we take 2y to the power of 2, that will become equal to 4 times y square. So that is the answer.
Thank you for watching the full video, and if you want more videos so I can help you, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification and leave a comment.